In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link buttons to internal pages on your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance navigation and improve user experience by directing visitors to specific areas of your site with just a click. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the Wix website editor. Open your Wix account and navigate to the editor for the site you're working on. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your website layout, style, and functionality. Once you're in the Wix editor, focus your attention on your website canvas. Here, you will want to click on the area highlighted, which is typically an indication of the element or section you're planning to work on. This action will allow you to engage with the specific part of the website where you intend to add or link a button. Next, it's time to add a new button. Locate the Add button, usually found on the left-hand menu, and then select Button from the list of elements. Drag it onto the canvas to the desired location. This button will serve as the interactive element that visitors can click to navigate to different sections within your website. Once you've placed the button, click on it to access its settings. Here you'll be able to edit the button elements such as the text, color, size, and style to ensure it fits well with the design and aesthetic of your page. Customization is key, so take a moment to explore different configurations until you find what suits your design vision best. Now, it's time to link your button to an internal page. You'll need to choose which section of your website users should be directed to when they click the button. For instance, you might want to direct them to a footer that contains additional contact information. To do this, click on the link option in the button settings and select the desired section from your internal page list. After linking, remember to click Done to confirm and save your changes. A crucial step in this process is renaming your button appropriately, ensuring it clearly indicates its purpose to users. For example, a button linked to a footer might be labeled Go to Footer to help users understand where they will be taken upon clicking. If needed, you can also resize the button to better fit your website's layout. Adjust its dimensions by dragging the edges to the size you desire, keeping in mind usability and visibility. Before finalizing everything, click on Preview to test the function of your newly created and linked button. Ensure it redirects correctly to the specified section and operates smoothly for users. Finally, once you're satisfied with its function and appearance, click Publish to make your changes live. Now, your visitors can click on these buttons and be efficiently navigated to different parts of your site, enhancing their overall browsing experience.